It's that time of year again when we're outside raking leaves and you see squirrels running around gathering these little guys, these little acorns. They're all over in your yard. Squirrels love them, chipmunks love them. Do you eat an acorn? Have you ever eaten an acorn? Well, you know what we're going to do today? We're going to make an acorn that you get to eat. Not like this kind of acorn, but a really special type of acorn. Are you ready? Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a Hershey's Kiss. Do you like Hershey's Kisses? And I'm going to take the foil off my little Hershey's Kiss. There you go. Put it right here. Put that over there. And then, do you like vanilla wafer cookies? These are the teeny ones. That's what I'm going to do. I am going to take a vanilla wafer. See that? All right. And peanut butter. Now watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take some peanut butter and I'm going to put it on my little vanilla wafer like this. And I'm going to put it like this. Does that look like an acorn? Oh, it's missing something. Wait. We need a stem. See, there's a little stem on the acorns? So I'm going to take a little pretzel and I'm going to put some peanut butter on my pretzel like that. And I'm going to put it right like this. There you go. I have an acorn that I can eat now. See that? It looks just like the acorns that are falling on the ground, only this one probably tastes better. And I bet you the squirrels would love it too. So it's really easy to make. Now, if you don't like peanut butter, you could use jelly. You could use marshmallows. You could use melted chocolate to put your little vanilla wafer on there. Anything to kind of keep it all together. But it definitely looks like a little acorn. So enjoy. I hope you had fun learning how to make this simple little acorn craft that you get to eat. Have a great day.